What's up, you guys? Long time no see. It's been a while since my last video, but now I'm back here and ready to do some more videos. I think last time what did I do last time? Oh, I installed the downpipe on the WRX, and now we are still working on the WRX, so more WRX content right now. And I do have more content. For you guys coming soon, so stay tuned for that. I have got another project. Yeah, I mean, it was unexpected. It's a car that I've been wanting for a while, and I got a pretty good deal on it for what it had. And these cars are really, really rare in good condition, or just in general, they're getting really rare to find. And I don't know, I just couldn't pass up this deal. I mean, I already have so many cars right now. I'm trying to get rid of one of them so far to just make room for more. But yeah, I mean, stay tuned for the next video. I will be revealing that vehicle, and I will also be talking about what I'm gonna be doing next to the vehicles. So like, what's the plan and so forth. But yeah, guys, I pretty much just want to catch you guys up with speed when what's going on and what's the plan and what I'm gonna be doing to be moving forward with my projects. But yeah, guys, so well, that's enough of me talking. Let's get to what we're gonna do today, and we're gonna be kind of doing custom grill, sort of. But yeah, guys, well, let's get to this video now. So what we have here is this ABS mesh grill that I purchased off eBay. It's not the best, and I'm kind of not that happy because I didn't know I was supposed to put the mesh on myself, but you know, it's all good, I guess. It doesn't look too hard, so yeah. Then I will also be putting this little STI badge like on the corner of it right there, just to give it a little more pop. And I know it's not a STI, I know, but hey, I mean, I think it's gonna look pretty cool. So as long as I like it, you know, it doesn't really matter because it's my build. But yeah, hopefully you guys like it. And if you guys are interested in one of these, here is the part number. Just a little, I think they call it like a little ornament or something like that. Yeah, just a little STI badge. It's pretty cool. But yeah, here's the part number. I believe it's like a little over $20, something like that. I mean, I got it cheaper since I get discounts from my work, but I think it's like over $20 or so. Alright guys, so to pretty much install it, they gave you a bunch of screws right here, these little screws, and you're pretty much gonna place the mesh on top where you want it. Pretty much put it on to see where it fits best, and there's these holes all around right here, all around where you're gonna screw these screws to the mesh so it can stay on there. And then you're pretty much gonna cut the excess mesh off with probably some Dikes. We'll probably do. Probably try with some Dikes, not very thick. So some Dikes will probably do with that. So what I'm gonna try to do is pretty much just place the mesh onto where it fits best for me, and then I'm gonna screw it on there. And once it's on to my liking, I'm gonna go ahead and just cut around the excess mesh that I do not need. Alright guys, so this is where I'm at. I have not completely tightened down the screws yet. I just snugged them down for now. And I mean, now that we have it to where we like it, we're gonna just get something to cut it with. I think some Dikes will do. Just cut around where you don't need it. But so far it looks pretty cool. I like it. Look at that. Alright, so here's where we're at now. We have just cut the mesh to our liking. Here's what I did right here. This is how I did it. Just around, just enough so it could just be enough. Here's all the excess mesh right there. And now that you have cut it to your liking, just go ahead and tighten it down. Alright, so here's where we're at now. I had just tightened it all up now. And I did go ahead and just with the excess mesh that was right here, I just did go ahead and bend it slightly. Just back a little bit, just for a little better fitment. But just try not to press too much force because it does break pretty easily. But yeah guys, also do not over tighten the screws because you will strip out the plastic and it will not hold. But yeah, here is where we're at with it. It looks pretty good. I like it. I like it a lot. I'm a fan. But there you go. Now we're gonna go ahead and try to install the STI badge. So here's where I decided to put my badge, right on the corner right there. And wow, I'm gonna say that looks really good. Let me know what you guys think. I think it looks pretty cool. I like it. It's pretty different. I'm pretty sure there's people with this already. Nothing new, but wow, that looks pretty cool. I just stuck it in there. Now I also come with this little bracket and these little things. I assume that's what tightens down. Do not know. But let's turn this around over here. So we're gonna put this like that. Oh, it's kind of touching right there. Something like that. So we're gonna put the bracket right there. And then we're gonna put these little nut things on it. And I would assume that would tighten it. We'll see. I'll be right back. Alright guys, so here's what I got. So put the little brackets on there. Then you just gotta get these on there. They are pretty hard to get on there. But once you get them on there, it's not too bad. Just get like a little screwdriver. Just poke one side, poke the other side while holding the back on it. It's a little hard, but it's not that bad. But here you go. It is all complete now. Other than having to put it together yourself, it's not that bad of a grill. It's pretty cheap. The grill alone was like $40–50, and then the little badge a little over $20. So you're looking at about a little over $70 to make this. Not too bad. Well, let's get this on the cart and see how it looks. Alright, first thing you gotta do to take that one off is pop your hood. Alright guys, looks pretty easy to take this one off. Looks like there's just 4 tabs right here. Pretty much what you do is there's this little tab. You press it down and it releases. Down here there's like a little space for the tab to go through. And you press it all the way down then it releases from the clip. So you do that all around. You get a little screwdriver, it'll help a lot better to get it in there. Alright, here's my little screwdriver. I'm gonna just press it down all the way and release. Same over here, release, and you do this one with my hand. Release, and there you go. I don't know if there's, oh, it looks like this side's out. I think over here there's like another clip. Let's see. Yeah, there's like another clip right here. So you gotta press that tab down. I think this one's broken over here, so that's why it's not releasing. But let me try to get that one real quick. So yeah, guys, there's like this little tab right here. Put this down. See this little tab right here? Pretty much press it down so it could come off the latch or whatever you want to call this. This one's broken on this side, so that's why it came off pretty easy. But yeah, so pretty much just unclip it, and there you go. Stock one is out. Time to get the new one. Do have the grill out. I kind of want to take the horns out and repaint them so they could look a lot nicer. They're a little worn and rusty, but yeah. Alright guys, so here we got our new grill. We're about to place it. Oh, I don't know if that's gonna work. Oh, well, that's different. Those are holes and not clips. Here, give me a second. Alright guys, so the grill is on and it is looking pretty good. I am not happy though with the fitment and mounting on it. So what I had to do to put it on was to zip tie it, because the factory mounting way is not the way to do it on this, I guess. It just has these little circles. I assume you just put clips in them, but that doesn't even work. And on the bottom, there's not really any mounting for the bottom, so it's just kind of just sitting there. So but yeah, but other than that, not too bad. I mean, if you don't mind zip tying it, I mean, it looks pretty cool. Probably once you paint match it, it's gonna look a lot better. But yeah, other than that, I didn't really like that. But hey, I mean, what do you expect for 50 bucks? Actually, it was $40. My mistake. It was $40. I mean, what do you expect for $40, right? But yeah, I mean, I'll keep it on there just for now. I kind of like it. Let's see how it looks with the hood closed. There you go, with the hood closed. Little walkthrough. Not too bad, I guess, but I mean, it could be better. You see this. Alright guys, so it has been a couple days since I had put the grill on. I mean, it's still on there, but to mount it and all, and this how secure it is, I mean, it's secure enough to be okay, but when you touch it and stuff, it's a little loose and stuff, since the only mounting points are those 4 zip ties on top. I mean, it looks pretty good. I like it a little better than the stock one and stuff, but I mean, if you guys don't mind just having it like that, I mean, I would suggest you getting it. But if that's gonna bother you guys, then I probably wouldn't bother doing this. But overall, I spent like $60. Yeah. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it for this video. I appreciate you guys for watching this, and stay tuned for the next one where I will be revealing the other car that I had purchased. Yeah, I'm pretty horrible. I need to chill out. But yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you guys can please hit that subscribe button and that like button, and let me know what you guys think down below about the grill, if you like it or not. But yeah, stay tuned guys. I can't wait for the next video. Take care.